The Fourth Industrial Revolution, 4.0, a new era of innovation. Welcome back to our channel, The Soft Learning, where we explore the fascinating world of technology and its impact on society. In today's video, we will delve into the Fourth Industrial Revolution, also known as Industry 4.0. Get ready to discover how this revolution is reshaping our world and why it is superior to its predecessors. Let's dive in. Before we dive into Industry 4.0, let's quickly recap the previous industrial revolutions. The first industrial revolution occurred in the late 18th century with the advent of steam power and mechanization. The second industrial revolution, fueled by electricity and assembly lines, took place in the late 19th century. The third industrial revolution, or the digital revolution, emerged in the late 20th century with the rise of computers. Now, brace yourselves for the fourth industrial revolution, which builds upon the foundation laid by its predecessors. Industry 4.0 encompasses the convergence of digital, physical, and biological technologies, leading to a new era of innovation. So, what are the key technologies driving Industry 4.0? Let's take a look. Number 1. Internet of Things, IoT. The IoT connects everyday objects to the Internet, enabling them to communicate and share data. This interconnectedness allows for real-time monitoring, efficient automation, and smart decision-making. Number 2. Artificial Intelligence, AI. AI empowers machines to simulate human intelligence, enabling them to learn, reason, and make autonomous decisions. From chatbots to self-driving cars, AI is revolutionizing various industries. Number 3. Big Data and Analytics. With Industry 4.0, we have access to an unprecedented amount of data. Big Data Analytics allows us to extract valuable insights, optimize processes, and drive informed decision-making. Advantages of Industry 4.0. Now, let's explore why Industry 4.0 is considered superior to its predecessors. 1. Enhanced efficiency and productivity. Industry 4.0 technologies enable automation, seamless communication, and streamlined processes. This leads to increased productivity, reduced costs, and faster production cycles. 2. Customization and personalization. With Industry 4.0, businesses can cater to individual customer needs on a large scale. Smart manufacturing allows for the customization of products and services, fostering customer satisfaction and loyalty. 3. Economic growth and job creation. Despite concerns about job losses, Industry 4.0 has the potential to spur economic growth and create new job opportunities. It requires a skilled workforce to develop, operate, and maintain the advanced technologies involved. And there you have it, the Fourth Industrial Revolution, a convergence of technology, data, and innovation. Industry 4.0 holds immense potential to transform industries, drive economic growth, and shape our future. Stay tuned for more exciting updates in the world of technology. If you found this video informative and enjoyed our content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to leave any comments or questions in the section below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology. Automated. Goodbye.